Hello friends, I welcome you all to this session on Python programming. So in the last lecture you have seen that how to find out the factorial of a number, but that program was not a general program because uh, the program can handle only those numbers which are either, so let's say it is starting from 1 and then going up to positive numbers. So what if the number is 0? What if the number is negative? So you know that the factorial of negative number is not defined, whereas the factorial of 0 is 1, and the factorial of other numbers are nothing but pi I is 1 to n and then I. So our program should tell or should return that it is a negative number, so it is not defined, and for 0 it should return 1. So what we'll be doing now is we'll be making our same program look more general. So let us head to that Jupyter notebook. Let us copy this. Now, first we should have this number. Okay. Then what? Then we should have this. Now we will be writing one condition. What is that? If the number is negative, then what? Less than 0 means negative. Then we have to print simply that the factorial is not defined for negative numbers. Okay. Okay. Then what if the number is 0? So else, if the number is 0, then we have to simply print this f. It is already 1. So we will simply say that n, sorry, so n factorial is nothing but f. Okay. Else, so if the number is not less than 0, it is not 0, then it must be more than 0. So else you have to do this. That's it, done. So now this is a more general program. So first you have to ask for the number, then assign f as 1 and then check whether n is less than 0. If it is, then that is not defined, and if it is 0, then 1 will be the answer, else you have to follow the procedure. Okay. If you run this program and say 5, then it is 120. If you run this program, it is 0, then it is y. Oh, I'm sorry, it should be f. So if you run it now, so it is 1. And if you give it some negative number, let's say minus 5, then it should say the factorial is not defined for negative numbers. That's it. So using conditional statements, you have made the same program looks more general. Now it can handle negative numbers, 0 as well as positive uh, integers. So in this lecture, till this point only, in the next lecture, we will be solving some more problems in Python. Thank you very much for watching it.